Hello. So, there's my two little goose mates, just as I'm leaving. So today, I've only got a really short walk planned, one destination in mind. I'm not sure how long this video is going to be as a result of that, but it should be quite nice. It's quite a pleasant day. It's not sunny, but it's certainly not cold. Let's go and see what we can see. There's a horse very close to the fence. Hello, mate. You're not a biter, are you? You don't look like a biter. I'm not sure I want to take the chance though. You okay? Alright, giving you a pat. There we go. It's a good lad. Okay, I'm not really too sure. I'm not going to check. The amount of wild garlic around is incredible. That's just leading up to the tunnel. I'll be going through there either tomorrow or the day after, I think. I don't know, I've been notified of a stoppage further down the Macclesfield, so I might stay put for a day or two to see how that's going to work out. There's apparently been some water leaking by one of the bridges. I'm not exactly sure, like. So if I wait till Monday I should get an update on that, but then if it's closed I'm not going to be able to pass through. Probably going to have to hang around because it shouldn't be that long of a repair job, I wouldn't imagine. I don't know, might be stuck in the northwest for this year. It's certainly looking that way. Seems like it. Should be the other side of the tunnel now. Here we are on the other side. Well, I've just been flying around. You can see what I was flying around. Got caught out by a tree. Oh man. I'm going to see if I can recover the drone. I doubt I'll be able to, but we'll try. So it does look like there's a path down to where I think it is. I'll pray I find it. Right, there's no sign of it anywhere. I think I caught one of these trees, so it's likely in the water. Ah well. Lesson learned, I suppose. I don't even know if it hit the tree on this side or that side. I know it just hit something and just came out the air. Oh well, looks like that's the end of drone footage for a little while anyway. I was thinking about upgrading anyway because I've been really enjoying using it. I suppose I might just have to buy a better one sooner. Might even have to wait till the end of the year, I'm not really sure, to be honest. Either way, carry on the walk. Right, I've just come to check the other side. It's not here. So, that's me. I'm just going to head home. This wasn't even what I planned to film today, but, well, it's taking the wind out my sails a little bit, as you can probably imagine. A couple £100 in the water because of my own stupidity. Now I better get moving because I'm on private land. Right, so I'm just standing here thinking about what I'm going to do about getting a new drone, because that one's gone. There's no chance of getting that. So it's £270 for a replacement of what I've just lost. Or if I give it a couple of months, I can see how the finances are and get the better one that I wanted anyway, that's got like tracking, so it'll make it easier for me to actually include it in my videos. I mean, a few months without drone footage. I could go and pick up one of them for £270 in Curry's, probably later in the day if I really wanted to. But now that it's gone, it's kind of like, it's a good opportunity to maybe upgrade. If I just wait a couple of months and see how the finances are looking, I can probably afford the one that I want. So I'll probably just do that. Just trying to chill out because I've had to go down this side, back up this side, round, down, and I've come back up from down there. I've had to climb over this fence here, which I'm not too proud of, in all honesty. I don't like having to trespass and stuff like that. But it could have saved us £270 if by some miracle it had landed somewhere dry. But ah well, it's not to be. Honestly, there's nothing I can do but laugh. It's my own stupidity that's done this. I knew I was taking a risk. I was like, oh, I shouldn't really, but I will. Go on, I'll stop on this bench here and I'll take a bit of footage. Came down a bit too much on this side of the bridge over here, and yeah, into one of these massive trees. Ah well, it's not the end of the world. Still got my boat, still got my health, still got the cat. Still feeling in quite good spirits regardless of, you know, losing 270. Well, it's actually about I paid for the extra batteries and stuff like that, which are now useless. Oh well. I'll see you back nearer the boat. The boat's back in sight. I've just been walking along wondering why I'm not really too bothered about the drone. A few years ago, a loss of £270 would have bothered me so much more. I think it probably would have bothered me so much more because where I was with my weed addiction, that would have been a week's worth of weed. Lost, gone in an instant. Why did I waste it on such a stupid little thing that lasted me only... Well, it lasted me longer than a week's worth of weed would have. That's what I'm thinking. It's hard to be angry when I used to waste so much money that used to literally be for nothing. And that doesn't even feel like a waste of money, that feels like a lesson learned, if anything. Something that I definitely want to continue doing flying the drone. It's quite fun. Hello everyone, I'm recording this the day after I lost my drone. So I got a notification yesterday that, I'm not sure whether I mentioned it earlier in this video, but there's been a breach up on the Macclesfield Canal. It looks quite severe, so I don't think I'm going to be able to make it down south. I'm not going to be able to make it any further south than Macclesfield. So the plan is now I'm going to go to Bollington, go to Macclesfield, turn around, come back to Macclesfield and Bollington, maybe go up to Whaley Bridge, and then I've got to come up with a new plan of what I want to do for this summer. My thought is, at the moment, go along the Huddersfield or the Rochdale up to Leeds, and then from Leeds back along the Leeds-Liverpool Canal back to home. That's what I'm thinking right now, but I'll have to do that quite slowly to make it last all summer, I think. Really taking the wind out of my sails. I really wanted to go down south, see some friends that I haven't seen in a long time. But it's not to be this year. And then next year I was hoping to go to Llangollen with my mum. And if the routes out of the north are still closed, there's no chance of that happening either. Here we are, back at home with our beautiful little cat. So anyway, I'm back. Oh, I'm gutted that it's gone, because I did enjoy it, as I say, but hey, I'll just wait a couple of months, hopefully get a new, better drone that does more of what I want. Learn from the experience, don't take risks with drones. That's the idea, I think, isn't it? So anyway, thank you all for joining me. I'll see you in the next one.